On today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry here in the Mafia Kitchen, we're gonna make a dish called Mu Gop Piao Wan. Mu Gop Piao Wan. Mu is pork, gop is crispy, piao is sour, and wan is sweet. So crispy, sweet, and sour pork. Okay, she's gonna show us how to make it. First ingredient is oyster sauce, naman hoi. Nung chon is 1 tablespoon. This is fish sauce, nam pla.
2 ช้อน
2 tablespoons. Some sugar. Namtan.
ครึ่งช้อน
A half a tablespoon.
ขยำ
Okay, we want to mix it. I think she wants me to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
มาขย
Okay. Now we're going to add a little bit of flour, bang, which is a, what kind of flour is that? That's just the tempura flour. Yeah. That's going to give it the crispy. Go.
ำเอาน้ำเย็นมาเลย
A little bit of cold water. Nam yen.
น้ำเย็น3 ช้อน
About 3 tablespoons.
โอเคขั้นน้ำมันตัว
Okay.
ๆเก็บไว้10 นาที
Let it sit for about 10 minutes.
แล้วก็เอา
Well, here is our vegetables that's going to go in it. We have cucumber, dankwa. We have some bell pepper, which is, what is it? Plik wan. Plik wan, a bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, which is hom hoi yai, and we have some green onion and some garlic. We're waiting on a couple of things. We're waiting on, well, I think we're waiting on sapalot, which is pineapple. But now we just need a hot fire and some oil, and we're gonna start on the pork first, the crispy pork.
หมูกรอบ
หมูกรอบ
บอกเลย
Gonna put some flour mixed in with the oil. Mafia said she learned a new trick to put the flour in with the oil and it won't explode. It won't pop. Labut won't explode.
ก็จะไปหาหมอเดือนพันเรื่องเวท
เอาถ่านมาเลยไม่ติด
Okay, we have to take it out of the grease, let it cool down. In order to make it extra crispy, we gotta let it cool a little bit and then put it back in the hot oil, and that'll make it even twice as crispy.
หนังมันกรอบนะมันกรอบไหมด้านโค้งนะมาก
I snuck a piece.
เอาเรื่องสวยมึงรู้เก็บเป็นตัว
Very good. Aloy. Stir fry, we're gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan and heat up some garlic first. A little bit of oyster sauce. Sesame seed oil. Sugar. Some dark soy sauce.
น้ำมันงา
Naman nga.
Bên thì có heo đó. Làm nó trong này. Này lên rồi.
นี่
Ừ.
สับปะรดหมักนัด
A little bit of cornstarch.
แป้ง
Cornstarch to make it a little thick. And everything is flour.
ส่วนเกลือมาเนี่ยลุงนี่แหละ
A little bit of ketchup. Yes, ketchup. Let's give it a taste.
ช่วยคนละ
Aloy.
โอเคละ
Okay, Leo Kham. It's already good.
โอ้นุ่มแต่ขนาดเลยน้ำล้าง
ไหนมันเหลือค่ะขอท้อง
โอเคทำงาน
หมูกรอบ
เปรี้ยวหวาน
เปรี้ยวหวาน อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมากจ้า
ยอดค่ะโอ้น้อยก็น้อยอะไรไว้
ฮะ
ไม่กัน
อร่อยมาก
แซ่บบัว
That is very good.
แซ่บหลาย
Not spicy. There's no spice in that. Crispy pork.
เปรี้ยวหวาน
Just awesome sweet sour flavor to it. Very good. Of course, Paige has
แซ่บสุด
curly French fries. I don't know about you, but I'm full. You full?
อิ่ม
Im. Very good. Aloy mak. Aloy mak mak. I ate most of it, I think. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you try the recipe. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Hungry video. Bye.
บาย